Equations of projectile. First, maximum height of projectile. If an object thrown into air with velocity u at some angle is considered as a projectile, the time taken by the object to reach maximum height is called time of ascent. At maximum height, final velocity of the object becomes 0. That means Vy is equal to 0. From v is equal to u plus at, Vy is equal to u sine theta minus gt. Here, in vertical direction, velocity component of the object, uy, is equal to u sine theta, and a is taken as minus g. But since Vy is equal to 0, 0 is equal to u sine theta minus gt, or t is equal to u sine theta by g. Here, t is called time of ascent. Since the time taken by the object to reach maximum height is called time of ascent, the distance traveled by the object from s is equal to ut plus half at squared. H max is equal to u sine theta into t minus half gt squared. Here, u is equal to u sine theta, and a is equal to minus g. By substituting the value of t in the above equation, H max is equal to u sine theta into u sine theta by g minus 1 by 2g into u sine theta by g whole square. Maximum height, H max, is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, maximum height, H max, is equal to u square by 2g. Time of flight. The time taken by a body from the moment it is projected, traveling through the path of projection and reaching the ground, is called time of flight. When the object is projected horizontally, displacement in ground level, y, is equal to 0. Uy is equal to u sine theta. A is equal to minus g. T is equal to capital T. From s is equal to ut plus half at squared, 0 is equal to u sine theta into capital T minus 1 by 2g capital T squared. 1 by 2g capital T is equal to u sine theta. Time of flight, capital T, is equal to 2u sine theta by g. Horizontal range. The distance traveled by a body from the moment it is projected, traveling through the path of projection and reaching the ground, is called range. The time taken by the projectile to travel through the path of projection and touch the horizontal ground is called time of flight. T is equal to 2u sine theta by g. The horizontal distance traveled by the object, r, is equal to horizontal component into time of flight. R is equal to u cos theta into t. So r is equal to u cosine theta into 2u sine theta by g. Range, r, is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by g. Here, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cosine theta. Theta is equal to 45 degrees, then range becomes maximum. That means r is equal to u squared by g. Therefore, maximum range, r, is equal to u squared by g. Equations of horizontal projectile. Horizontal distance. If an object is thrown parallel to the horizontal, its initial velocity does not split into vertical components. That means ux is equal to u and uy is equal to 0. The distance traveled by the object horizontally is equal to velocity into time, so x is equal to u into t. This is the first equation. Distance traveled in vertical direction. Here, uy is equal to 0, a is equal to minus g. From s is equal to ut plus half at squared, y is equal to minus 1/2 gt squared. This is the second equation. Similarity between freefall and vertically upward projected bodies. For a freely falling object, initial velocity is 0. For an object thrown vertically upward, final velocity is 0. For a freely falling object, acceleration a is equal to plus g. For an object thrown vertically upward, acceleration a is equal to minus g. For a freely falling object, time of descent, td, is equal to u by g. For an object thrown vertically upward, time of ascent, ta, is equal to u by g.